Okay. Do we stay or do we go?
I don't know.
This is the most amount of mosquitoes on the face of the earth ever.
Mosquitoes.
See, there's one. They're everywhere. They're all over the place. There's one on my palm. I don't think you can see it. It's there. Another one. Oh
Two.
my. Oh my. Just watch Brian's head for a minute. We cheated.
Oh, those clouds are moving.
And now we might get jumped on.
How much can you grab?
How much can I grab? What do you mean?
Of this stuff to go to the car with downhill. Yeah.
Oh no, I might be able to trust myself.